The cabin filter is located on the left corner of the footwell. Pinch the sides at the tabs and pull down to remove the securing tabs from their catch. Remove the bottom panel from the glove box assembly. The filter housing cover has a screw on the bottom that requires a T20 Torx driver to remove. Pinch the tabs of the filter housing and pull outwards to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1211 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Installation may be easier if you pinch the sides down. You can rotate the filter as needed, but ultimately the hard sides need to be on the top and bottom, with the pleats vertical. Slide the housing cover into position and press to lock it into place. Reinstall the housing door screw. Reinstall the footwell panel. Press up on the tabs to secure them on the screws.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.